So, in conclusion, for our sources, there are always two different sides to a story. There are always different opinions about each source or each topic. However, when it comes down to deciding what is considered a reliable source and what is not, there are different aspects that we need to evaluate within the source when analyzing it. For our example, our credible source that we chose, being NASA, ends in a .gov, meaning it is trustworthy, credible government site. So that is one way to tell if one is a reliable site or not. This one being from the organization of NASA, which is a space organization within the government. Now, if we look at our other source, we see that it is more of a conservative news network, this being Fox News, also linked to their television news network. It has been linked to show biases on many topics, numerous occasions, and to support of the right side agenda. Our reliable source is also more factual based, is more informative, provided by California Institute of Technology. So they're providing more statistics, more graphs, more analytical data, rather than this is Fox News is providing more opinion based. They're trying to convey one side or the other, and they're using journalists and talk show hosts rather than using scientists and numerical data. They're going off of opinions and more of emotional appeal. They're conveying to a particular audience and to control power. So at the end of the day, they're trying to show power, they're trying to influence others, while our credible source is showing more statistical data and what is actually factual. So by doing so, the big impact for trying to convey a credible source is providing evidence, so the audience can tell that you are credible, rather than just showing opinions and talking about maybe just a regular topic. You're conveying to your audience that you know what you're talking about. You're conveying evidence. You're conveying statistics. Like I said before, you're not just talking about opinions. You're not bringing emotions involved to it. If you set in standard of this is what this is, clear as day, you're not bringing any emotional appeal into the topic. So that's one way something is credible. You're trying to educate the audience. So that's one thing that's huge when it comes to finding a credible source. Are they trying to educate you, or are they trying to persuade you one side or the other? And a reliable source backs you up for your argument. Like I said, they're using trustworthy articles, encounters, whether it's doctors, scientists, people firsthand encounters and scientist studies, all that, and to help you use pieces to back up your information greater for reliable sources. So those are the main two differences between reliable and non-reliable sources. I hope I covered everything.